Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 272. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 2 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 8, no help here, 3, 6, 8, and no help here, 3, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 5. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 5, 7, and no help here, 5, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 4. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 3, 4. So that means the only place the 1 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 8, 8 here, so 5, 7. So that means the only place the 8 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 7, 9, no help here, 4, 6, 7, 9, 9 here, so 4, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got 2, 3, and 5 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 5. This 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 5 makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 5. Let's do some cleanup with this 6. We can get rid of this 6, and this 6. All right. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4. Oh, this 6 makes this our 7. 6. That 7 makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. So for this bottom row now, we're just missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 6. 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 4, 7. And that 4 makes this our 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.